billions of migratory birds species and for the continent's largest populations of winter-adapted mammals. It contains vast expanses of woodlands that are rich in wildlife, and has sheltered rivers and lakes with clear, clean waters. Moreover, the Boreal forest is one of the last settlements frontiers, and is the second largest biome in the world, containing 33% of the Earth's forest cover, of which approximately 25 is natural. Given these points, we can say that the Boreal forest is one of the most important biomes in the world because of its woodlands and the species that we need in our world to survive.
The biotic factors in the boreal forest is strongly affect the plants and animals that live there, making it necessary for them to adapt to the conditions of cold and snow for much of the year. The vegetation of the boreal forest is dominated by evergreen conifers such as fir, pine, and spruce that have needles rather than leaves. This type of trees conserve energy by not having regrowth. It leaves every spring and also sheds snow more easily. Many of the animals of the boreal forest have adaptations for cold and snow, such as thick fur, white paws, and coat colors that change according to the season.
The average of temperature in this biome goes to -25 Celsius to 15 Celsius, and this occurs in January and December that are the lowest ones. June and July are the highest ones. The average of precipitation is from 0 to 100 millimeters.
The Boreal forest is home to more than 85 species of mammals. Among these is the boar bison, North America's largest land mammal. Widespread mammal species in the boreal forest include the black bear, moose, deer, red squirrel, snowshoe hare, southern red-backed owl, cinereal shrew, list, chimpuk, deerhouse, and ermine. Less common species include the fisher wolverine, red otter, Canada lynx, and gray goat. Resident birds are well adapted to the long cold winters, and many such as the tagman and snowy owl change color from one season to the next to camouflage themselves. The boreal forest is home to a wide variety of tree species. The most common coniferous species found in the boreal forest include black and white spruce, balsam, fir, jack pine, and tamarack.
The only place where we can find this biome is in the south of Mexico, where the volcanoes are due to the altitude, such as Popocatépetl in Estado de México, Malinche between Puebla and Tlaxcala, Nevado de Toluca in Estado de México, Iztaccíhuatl in Puebla, and in Citlalpetl we can find the volcano Pico de Orizaba.
Perhaps the biggest threat to the Boreal forest today is the exploration and development of oil and natural gas reserves. From Alaska to Canada to Russia, it is estimated that vast amounts of petroleum products lie under these forests. Another threat is global warming. As the planet warms, the southern reaches of the boreal forest will become warm enough for deciduous trees to compete the conifers and replace them. Logging, another factor that affects the boreal forest. These forests are very slow to grow, and corporate pressures may reduce the amount of management and accelerate cutting beyond what can be sustained.
Although most animals of boreal forest ecosystem are classified as least concerned, boreal woodland caribou is classified as an endangered species, and ranging-fur tarandus deer is classified as vulnerable species, principally due to poaching by humans as a sport or the finding of their forests to market with them.